going on YouTube? Sphinx Assault here. Figured that, oh man, you're holding it vertical.
Goddamn.
Hey YouTube, it's Scarce here. Not Scarce, Sphinx Assault here. Figured I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so we're gonna bring you a little update video on a few nice guns here. So, recently I got this gun and that tan M4. I traded that tan M4 for a black honey badger, and I really like this honey badger right here. It came with the rail, you know, hand stop, small rails, and this little flip up sight. Also came with the battery extension, just like this one, the AirTech sent me. So, just want to test out these two guns here today. We also got Zodiac's ATP, he'll be shooting that. 1911 has some problems. And this gun, I want to show you guys how it shoots with the new motor. I had the new motor during the gameplay, but I guess you guys would appreciate shooting it or seeing it up close in HD. So let's check out these honey badgers. I'll back up so we can see it from here. Oh, that's a tight thing. It's honey badger time.
It's like Rambo.
That's no fun. You get the targets too?
No.
The part. Honey badger time! I love my honey badgers.
Try to get that animal. ATP. Flex.
Well, I mean, the part that holds the hammer broke, but I sort of fixed it, and I kind of solved the issue because this will wiggle around a lot. I took the right side safety and cut it off, attached the arm of that safety to this arm so it's extended, and it seems to have fixed the gun. But you know, obviously we have some clunkage going on. Enough with the semi. Got just about enough.
Alright.
Hurry up.
Don't overheat.
Get that 360.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
So this is my Zodiac APS custom, and all I did was put a VSC motor in there, and that solved the issue from the previous videos where it just sounded really bad. And the lipo might be dying, but keep rolling. I want to show you guys before I go that this gun's internals are actually pretty good. I've never shown them off in video before. So we got full metal everything except for the pistons. So you got full metal nozzle, steel cylinder. You got these hybrid cuts in the shell, and it's like a polished silver gearbox. It's really nice. APS, silver edge, and then you got that full metal hop-up unit and full, I think this is steel barrel. So all metal internals in this gun, gears too. And I don't know why that motor sounded so bad, but I recommend you change that motor.
So I hope you enjoyed this brief update about a couple of my newest weapons. I sure had fun making it. Just on the way out here, I'd like to get some people's opinions about some of the apparel that I'm trying to make here. Got some ideas going. I also want to try to make some patches. Mostly I just want to know if anyone is interested in picking any of them up before I actually make any of them. So we'll have some 6 echelon patches and hopefully some t-shirts. I'm trying to think of ideas for my 10,000/12,000 subscriber special. So what I'd like to do is have you guys ask me questions on my Instagram. So my Instagram is 6_echelon. Find me on there and either find my newest post and hit me up with some questions. I would like to answer those questions in a special video coming up to celebrate hitting 10K.